Welcome to my new painting blog. I hope you enjoyed the last one if you saw it. If not, have a look in my channel. I did a landscape previously. Anyway, this time I'm doing a friend's dog who sadly passed away recently. Her name's Maddie. I'm not sure how old she was, but I think what I do know is that she's a Labradoodle. That's only because I googled the picture. So enjoy. This is my process of setting her out, mapping up the shape, and my favourite bit of doing the face. We're going to see some sweet little eyes shortly. And here come the little adorable eyes. Oh, it's looking up. I think with whatever animal you paint, it's so important to get the eyes right. And of course the face, because that's where all the characteristics are. I understand that Maddie had a haircut shortly before this photo, so it's likely she's looking a little bit miffed, probably a bit chilly. And I'd like to think that the hair on her face has been combed and given a nice parting. But the little beardy mustachio is definitely showing that she's had a little something to eat and drink. You always see the soggy bits at the end. By the way, I paint all sorts of other animals. I particularly like doing the neighbours' cats that are always hanging around in our garden. I paint my guinea pigs. There's 3 of them. Recently I painted a walrus, which was an unusual request from a friend who likes walruses. I've done other smaller ones. We've done fox, an alpaca, penguins. My son's crazy about penguins. My daughter likes foxes. I did a very tiny one of an elephant. Please leave me a comment if there is a painting you would like to see me do. And of course, if anyone's interested in commissioning me to do an animal, a pet, a beloved pet, then I'd be happy to help you out there. I've got a website. Have a visit on my website. There's a form there. I also have some paintings for sale there, as well as print-on-demand prints of the paintings, most of those. I put content on other social media platforms. including Instagram and TikTok. And Facebook a little bit. Although, yeah, they automatically end up in Facebook when I do Instagram. Doing the shadow part underneath. That's obviously where the area that's behind the light, if you know what I mean. The area in the shadow. You'll get little glimpses here of the photograph I have on my phone. That's all I've got to go by. Apart from a couple of other photos where she's just come out of a pond. I don't really want to paint wet dog. I want to paint cute, cuddly, fluffy dog sitting in the lounge. I'm going to add the carpet, I'm going to add a wall and somebody's slippers in the background because they're there in the picture. There's a shiny black coat going in. By the way, it looks very black on the video, but I don't use black. I've got a lot of leftover black from paint sets. I tend to like using the primary colours and mixing the blue and red gives a nice dark colour, and I've added a little bit of yellow and make it darker still, depending on the yellow. But yeah, that's how I get the variation of colour instead of matte black. I've gone and plumped her up a bit. She's actually a bit skinnier than that, just a little. It's a bit tricky when you've got 9x16 view and you're trying to do a big like square. I'm not sure of the dimensions of this, but I'm going to bring back of the body just like there. Does that make sense? So it looks like she might drag her tummy along on the floor in this position. Oh yeah, and she's sitting on her tail here. I mean, is this... because I have room over here for a tail, so why sit on it? We can fit it into the composition. Artistic license and all that. So, foot comes in here somewhere, okay? So bear with me on that one. It's otherwise a good likeness. So. Start painting in the carpet as well. Oh, by the way, yeah, it's not, she hasn't done a big wee. It's the colour of the carpet. If you like this video and want to see more content like this or any other of my painting styles, please like and subscribe. Have a look at my other videos. Thanks for watching.